People in TPS Bangalore site come in when TPS STL team returns home after the day's work, ensuring business continuity for the Monsanto Research Organization. TPS in Bangalore is located at Manyata Technology Park. It forms the hub for Monsanto IT for the region and is located proximally to our research site, MRC and breeding station. We are collocated in this campus where more than 30 technology companies and 80,000 plus IT professionals are employed.
The TPS story in Bangalore started out as a cost play. In 2012, we set out to achieve operational excellence. We closed knowledge gaps in IT and domain, improved productivity, and automated routine data support. At the close of 2012, we have pushed the productivity frontier outward, having delivered on all of our commitments with 30% less investment.
Monsanto business has gone global, South America, EMEA and Asia Pacific. The Global Research and Development Organization works around the clock. That means 24/6 IT availability.
We use Midas and Rubicon, two TPS applications, quite a lot in the breeding program. Midas is helpful in managing the huge amount of data that we generate in the breeding program. Midas yield trial workflow is helpful in capturing the yield data and analyzing it and presenting it in front of the crop team to make an advancement decision. Another application we use regularly is the Rubicon workflow. We use quite a lot of molecular markers in the breeding program. The data that gets generated through the genotyping lab is captured in a very systematic way through Rubicon, which is really helpful for us in making our selection decisions. We advanced 4 products of tomato in 2011, which are resistant to Gemini virus, and the Rubicon workflow was helpful in capturing the data on Gemini virus resistance coming from the genotyping lab on TY1 marker. So the TPS team in Bangalore is quite approachable, so they give good training for us to make use of these applications, and also they are helping us in addressing the issues which are rising now and then. On behalf of the entire R&D program India, I thank the TPS team Bangalore.
I'm responsible for interacting with Monsanto Mahiko Biotech for screening cotton hybrids and cotton and vegetable breeders for genotyping their samples. My interactions with the TPS team started recently with the introduction of GEMS for vegetable breeding. The team trained us on the features of GEMS and has been supportive throughout the launch. With the TPS team housed in Bangalore, I feel that the face-to-face interactions have helped addressing the challenges real time. Though my interactions with the TPS team has been a very short period, yet it is a new experience and learning. I feel very comfortable interacting with them.
For success of our project, it is critical to understand how the data is captured, where it is captured, how it is organized across the functions. To achieve this, we approach TPS and we depend heavily on them. For example, we were curating the metadata for transcript profiling experiments. We had to bring in consistency between the data sets, say how a genotype is represented in MIDAS or an event or construct information is represented in registration manager. So what we do, we approached the TPS launch and support. They provided us all the necessary trainings and the information and the support we required.
In FY12, we have put powerful new capabilities in the hands of our research users. We have centralized data and enabled our technology functions with applications such as real-time field testing suites. Today's business decisions are faster, more accurate and scalable due to data centralized through our systems such as FTS that are reported with tools such as ADM for the research user. Applications such as CLC Bio have improved the data and decisions in biotech. In FY13, we plan more exciting product launches.
In FY13, our focus shall be to enable breeders to make faster decisions with accurate data, to accelerate the pipeline with relevant IT capabilities, to improve the material movement and tracking capability. The setup of a genotyping lab at Monsanto Research Center, the only biotech R&D facility outside of North America, can be a game changer for the region R&D. We look forward to an exciting year with the launches of key capabilities in genotyping and molecular marker space such as GEMS, MLM and Rubicon, Trait Stacking Manager.
Monsanto's Asia Pacific business is expanding. Today we have more than 21 business units across varied geographies in the region. A deep understanding of research workflows allow us not only to expand our product portfolio but to improve support to our research users. We support more than 50% of the global support demands from Bangalore.
As the business has globalized in not only quality of customer experience but also business agility, the speed at which we respond business needs, that defines our success. A global customer base poses new demands on product security and performance. We have embraced this change with strong focus on leadership development and operational excellence rooted in agile practices.
Our team has responded to critical business needs in the area of improving security, enhancing product performance, and ensuring business continuity. We won Global Ethics Award for ensuring 100% compliance with the termination audit. We optimized product speed in preparation to leap in web and mobility. We refactored critical applications in the area of AIP and breeding platform. The scope of release management is expanded to St. Louis offers. This ensured the work-life balance and shortened the deployment cycle to 24 hours.
In 2012, the focus for the Bangalore testing team was on business agility. We, in partnership with our US counterpart, focused on continuous testing, enabling faster incremental releases. This helped the business in getting the features in a short duration. In FY13, we are going to invest on 3 critical areas: tools and technologies, process and practices, and above all, on people. This is going to help us to take the business agility to the next level, where deployment, development, and quality assurance are going to work together as product teams to help and accelerate business delivery.
Operational excellence means pushing the productivity frontier to accomplish more with less. The Lean Six Sigma program at Bangalore fosters a culture of ownership, partnership, and innovation.
TPS portfolio has over 100 products under active development. As information gets complicated, we introduce moving parts and interdependencies. The requirement to manage data is often too tight, too loose, or non-existent. This introduces errors and failed transactions, which is manually fixed every day. We focused on automating routine data management activities like pedigree fixes. We explored technologies in the space of rapid application development, such as PHP and Oracle Application Express. In this way, we expanded our portfolio of internal tools with additions such as PedLink and PedCure. In coming years, we shall expand our Lean Six Sigma focus to areas like access and driving support reduction through root cause fixes.
What makes TPS in Bangalore successful? It is our deep understanding of end-to-end business workflows and IT portfolio, focus on people development and leadership, and a relentless war on waste to eliminate what we can automate. Monsanto, as a multinational, goes where business can thrive. We understand the role of IT in making business successful. What is coming up in FY13? To build on the foundation of operational excellence and take on the mantle of product leadership. We don't build products, and we do everything thereafter to make these software products successful on a global stage.
The most enjoyable part about my work is that I get to collaborate with the scientists from R&D organizations on day-to-day basis, and a successful collaboration between IT and R&D defines success for TPS. That in a nutshell defines success for me.
One thing that I like about TPS is it respects people and encourages them to come up with innovative ideas. And the leadership team is always ready to provide an opportunity to implement those ideas.
I am very happy and proud that I have played a key role in building stakeholder credibility through constant engagements and consistent value delivery, which enabled an increase in Bangalore testing contribution in breeding and regulatory platforms from 10% in 2011 to 50% in 2012.
There's never a dull moment at work. We have equal measure of work and fun activities, so work is never monotonous. All the fun things we do at work and all the special occasions that are celebrated makes TPS a great place to work.
Since we work in a globally distributed model, collaborating with the STL counterparts is of utmost importance. We discuss technical and non-technical challenges with them on various occasions so that we choose the best solution for any problem at hand.